So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix this username is not available error on the WhatsApp business. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so guys you just follow this video. First thing is guys, this error is happening because it's mean you choose the username cannot be claimed. So this is the primary cause by the another account already taken the name or due to the regional ability and the formatting restriction. So to fix this, first of all, username on the WhatsApp operate on the first come first serve basis. If the username someone else has claimed it, so the system will reject your request. Okay. Second thing is guys, invalid character. WhatsApp username must be 3 to 35 character long and contain only lowercase letter. Okay. And guys, the feature rollout phase, the username rollout is gradually. So if the feature is not fully active on your account in your region, so attempting to force the username may be triggered an error. Another thing is guys, restricted word. Using the forbidden meta or the WhatsApp trademark word will trigger or immediately rejection. So to fix this, try a different alternative number. Okay, you add like any numeric things, any period and underscores to make it unique. And another thing is update your app. Make sure your business app is up to date. Make sure your WhatsApp business is up to date to the latest version via the Google Play Store. So these are the things that you can do to fix this issue. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.